Red Osier Dogwood, Cornus Sericea, is a stunning shrub known for its vibrant red branches and clusters of white flowers. If you're interested in adding this attractive plant to your landscape, this comprehensive guide will provide you with the knowledge and tips to successfully plant and grow Red Osier Dogwood. Preparing the planting site. Prepare the planting site by removing any weeds or grass. Dig a hole that is wider and slightly deeper than the root ball of the Red Osier Dogwood. Loosen the soil in the hole to help the roots establish more easily. Planting Red Osier Dogwood. Follow these steps for successful planting. Place the Red Osier Dogwood in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding ground. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Water the plant thoroughly to settle the soil and remove any air pockets. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the shrub to retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Watering and moisture. Red Osier Dogwood prefers consistently moist soil, especially during the establishment period. Water deeply and regularly, particularly during dry spells or hot summer months. Monitor the moisture levels and avoid overwatering, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. Pruning and maintenance. Pruning Red Osier Dogwood is typically done in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Remove any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. You can also selectively prune for shape and size control. Regularly monitor the shrub for pests and diseases and take appropriate action if needed. Fertilizing. Red Osier Dogwood generally does well without heavy fertilization. However, you can apply a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring if the soil is nutrient deficient. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper dosage and application. Avoid excessive fertilization, as it can lead to excessive vegetative growth. Winter care. Red Osier Dogwood is hardy in colder climates but may benefit from winter protection, especially in the first few years. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the shrub to insulate the roots and protect them from harsh temperatures. Landscape uses and aesthetic appeal. Red Osier Dogwood offers more than just beautiful red branches. It is a versatile plant that can be used for erosion control, wildlife habitat, and as an ornamental feature in your landscape. Enjoy the clusters of white flowers in spring and the attractive red branches that provide winter interest.